So YouTube, today I am making this video in 4K quality, hi-fi audio. So lot of people think that this is 6.2 system, so bass will be earth checking or something like that. So I'm going to be honest over here and will give you a demo. Actual, what are the bass capabilities? I'm talking about the frequency, how deep the bass is, and as well as how loud it is. So I'll give you a demo. Let us play one song till then, and thereafter I will play the test tone. 150. Now let's do the bass test. Five hertz. Ten gigahertz. 20. 30 hertz, sorry. Now it's audible. 50 hertz, shaking everything. 60 hertz. 80 hertz. 90 hertz. Now it's just mid bass. So anything above 100 hertz is useless to me. That is all mid bass. I won't like to hear that. We will get back to lower frequencies. I'll give you demo again. This is 20 hertz. 30 hertz, no audible bass. Actually you should hear something from 30 hertz. 40 hertz, very nice. The bass is clean. 50 hertz, rattling everything. 'So my point here is this system is not for lows like rap, hip hop, the modern music where it goes down till 30 28 hertz. This system is not made for that. And honestly, most of the loud system which are for party kind of stuff are not made or designed for that purpose. While manufacturing, the company engineers focus on more loudness, and it's difficult to go loud down there like 25 hertz or 30 hertz. Generally, car subwoofers are good for that, but in upper range, around 40 hertz, 50 hertz, this type of systems are loud and efficient too. So my point here is this system is made for people who like EDM, trance, Bollywood kind of music, where there is general category bass above 35 40 hertz. That is the general. Most of the common public like that kind of bass, like hard punch and the drum beats. But there are few bass heads out there who enjoy the lows, and for that purpose this system is not designed, or any kind of party system which goes loud, those are not specifically designed for that purpose, like LG X Boom, Sony Shake series, Samsung Giga series, Sony this Muteki series. All these are for party, and they are not supposed to go down, not lows. Generally, no one plays that kind of music for parties, right? It is the common sense company, the manufacturer has used. So, well, coming to the point, what for those who love lows, okay, who want car like bass in your home? The best way is to get pro amplifier and car subs. If not, you don't want to create that mess inside your home, like light dimming and all that stuff, then you should get home theater system, which are basically designed for the movies. As in movies they go down for the scenes like earthquake or the gunshots. Those subwoofers are designed for good low frequency. I'll recommend getting JBL 3.1 or 5.1, which comes with 10-inch subwoofer inside, and it is down firing subwoofer. I'll drop the link below. And I recently got the demo of that system, and that goes very well down till 30 hertz, and the sound is deep, pleasing bass. Okay, not, you don't have to be loud all the time, whereas in such kind of party systems you won't be able to enjoy the real bass unless and until you are at least at half of the volume. But that is not the case with the other home theater system, like the professional JBL, Denon, Pioneer, which are basically designed for surround and movies. So that's all. I hope I cleared your doubts. Definitely, this system is loud if you consider to be loud. Okay, if your goal is to be loudest as possible, then this or any party system is made for you. But if you are bass head and enjoy car like music like decaf, hip hop, and the lows, then this is not for you. I mean, you will enjoy the bass at loud volume, but not for lows. You will miss those notes, and you will enjoy only mid bass and highs. This is definitely recommended for those who enjoy the trance or EDM or any generic music out there. Also, for those who want to use the surround system, this has 5.1 audio, not the Dolby Atmos. So there also you will be lacking somewhere. But as this is made in Malaysia, this system will definitely last long. So decide your purpose and get your system accordingly. I hope this system or this video will help you out somewhere. Thanks for watching. Live loud.